This is Andrew Leon with Marlinspike Consulting. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use Autotext in Microsoft Word. Autotext is used if you have text, graphics, or other content that you would like to reuse again and again in your Word documents. So to use Autotext, we go to the Insert tab, and then Quick Parts, and then Autotext. So to start, I'm going to show how to create an entry in the Autotext gallery. I'm going to copy over a return address, select it, and then choose Quick Parts, Autotext, and then Save Selection to Autotext Gallery. When I do that, there's some information I have to type in about this Autotext Gallery entry. First, I have to give it a name. I'll call this Marlinspike Return Address. I also have to choose which gallery I would like this to appear in. Autotext is a default. This helps to organize them under the building blocks organizer where Autotext entries appear. I can further subdivide it based on the category if I wish to. I could type in a sentence or two of description. I can also choose which template to save it in. You see, normal is the default template, but I could organize them by storing them in other templates as well. And I can also change the behavior for how this Autotext entry will be inserted into the document. So I'll click OK, and then delete my content. And now, if I'm typing a letter and would like to insert that return address, I can go to Quick Parts, to Autotext, and then select that return address entry from the Autotext gallery. All right, let's do a second example. In this next example, I'm going to insert a piece of boilerplate legal disclaimer of the sort that is often used by organizations and want to have it inserted exactly the same each time. For this example, I'm going to change the formatting a little bit to demonstrate that Autotext entries do keep the formatting properties when they're inserted into the document. For this one, I'm going to change my legal disclaimer to red print. I'll go back to Quick Parts, to Autotext, and then choose Save Selection to Autotext Gallery. I'll change the name of it only, leave everything else the same. And now when I delete that entry and then go to Quick Parts, to Autotext, I have two entries in the Autotext gallery, and in the preview and also in the entry into the document there, you see that my legal disclaimer is in red print. All right, I'll do one more example. In this case, I will do a graphic. So in this case, it's the Marlinspike logo. I'll select that graphic and choose Quick Parts and then Autotext, and then Save Selection to Autotext Gallery. So even though it's called Autotext, you can do graphics and tables as entries as well. For this one, I'm going to call the entry Logo, and then click OK, and delete it. For this example, I'm going to type the entry name, Logo, and then press the F3 key to show that you can insert Autotext entries just by typing their name. You don't have to use the menus necessarily. So it does make it worthwhile to give yourself nice, short, and easy to remember names for the Autotext entries so that you can use the keyboard to enter them instead of the menu. Last thing we'll look at is the building blocks organizer. If I go to Quick Parts and choose building blocks organizer, you can see the entries that I've just added to my Autotext gallery are all listed here. They're alphabetized at the beginning because Autotext is the first of the gallery names when listed alphabetically. When I click on them, they show the preview over to the right, and if I select one and then press the delete key down at the bottom, after confirming it, then it will delete that Autotext entry. And when I go out to Quick Parts to Autotext here, you see that it's now missing from the Quick Parts gallery, the Autotext gallery rather. That's how to use Autotext in Microsoft Word.